Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with a hard words of your chapter number 2, that is thank you friend. So students, the name of the chapter is thank you friends. Okay students, in our previous video we studied about a very interesting story. The story was about four friends, which are a tortoise, a crow, a mouse and a deer. So students, in this story the four friends were lived in the forest. So students, firstly there were three friends lived in the forest together. They are a crow, a tortoise and a mouse. So one day as they all sat together, they saw that a deer was running towards them. Because the deer was being chased by a hunter. So then the tortoise said to deer, "Don't afraid, the hunter will not come so far in the forest." So then the deer sat down and feel safe there. Then the tortoise said to deer to stay with them. Soon they become a good friend and spent their time with each other every day. One morning the deer was not came. So the crow flew away and looked around. Then he saw that the deer was trapped in a net on the bank of the river. Then he told this to his friends. Then the mouse said to crow to take him to the bank of the river so that he could cut the net and made to free the deer. Then the crow picked the mouse on his beak and flew away to the bank of the river. Then the mouse cut the rope and made deer free. Then as they all friends are about to leave, then they saw that the hunter was coming. Seeing this, the crow flew away on the tree and the deer ran away and the mouse hid himself in the grass. But the poor tortoise, he was too slow. So he was caught by a hunter. Then the deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. He told the plan to crow. Then the deer pretended himself like a dead. The crow sat on the head of deer and pecked it. Then, seeing this, the hunter was too happy and dropped the net and ran away to the deer. When the hunter came close to deer, the dead deer stand and jump and ran away. Then the crow also flew away. Here the mouse ran away and cut the rope of the net. The tortoise was also free. Then the tortoise crawled into the river. Now the 4 friends are safe now. So students, in this story we know that how the 4 friends help each other when they are caught in trouble. So students, let's move on to our hard words. So students, firstly you have to mention the date, chapter and the name of chapter in your copy. So the name of this chapter is Thank You Friend. So students, you have to write WRD word in the left side of your copy and write MEANING meaning in the right side of your copy. So students, in word column you have to write the hard words and in the meaning column you have to write the meaning of that word. So students, our first hard word is toward. So students, the meaning of toward is in direction of something. Now our second word is chased. So students, the meaning of chased is to run after somebody. Our next hard word is hunter. So students, the meaning of hunter is person that hunts wild animals. Our next hard word is afraid. It means fear. Now the next hard word is safe. It means free from danger. Now the next word, that is agreed. It means to say yes to someone. Other word is soon. So it means early. The next word is spent. It means to pass time. So students, you spent your time with your friends and family members. The next hard word is around. It means in every direction. The next hard word is trapped. It means caught. The next one is quickly. It means fast. Thought. It means to think. In this story, the deer thought a plan. It means the deer think a plan to save his friend. Which friend? A tortoise. Okay. The next one is told. It means tell. Now the next is crawling. It means to move slowly. The tortoise is crawling. It means the tortoise move slowly. Okay, let's come to the next hard words. Next is gently. It means calmly or softly. The next hard word is pegged. It means bite with beak. When the deer was pretend himself to dead, the crow was set on the deer's head and gently pecked on it. It means bite with beak. The next one is dropped. It means to let something fall. Gnabbed. It means bite. The other hard word is slipped. It means slide. Now students, who said these words? The first one is, why don't you stay with us? So students, the tortoise said that why don't you stay with us? The tortoise said this sentence to deer. The next is, I will look around for him. So this sentence is said by crow. The third one is, if the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. This sentence was said by a mouse. Now students, answer these questions. The first one is, where did the four friends live? The four friends lived in the forest. The second one is, who went to look for the deer? The crow went to look for the deer. The third one is, how did the mouse offer to help? The mouse offered crow to take him on the bank of river so that he could cut the ropes and make deer free. The fourth one is, what did the deer pretend to be? The deer pretended to be dead. So students, hope you enjoy this story and exercises of this chapter. So students, you have to write these hard words in your copy. This is homework for you and you have to also learn these hard words. Okay students? Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and do discuss this story with your family members like your mother, father, your sister, your cousin, etc. So students, bye and take care and read the chapter again. Thank you students.